welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be slaying another lace wig. Not this one here, but one that actually I just received in the mail. This one comes courtesy of KlaiyiHair Hair, and I'm going to be going ahead and doing a start to finish install. As always, I always give you the tea on the new wigs that I'm rocking, but I love the fact that you're able to see literally from start to finish how I install my wigs. This one is a color number 4, and as you guys can see, it comes packaged like so. So this is how the wig looks out of the packaging. As you guys can see, she's a beautiful color number 4 fake scalp lace wig. I believe the length is 24 inches. I'll have all the details linked in the description box. And as you guys can see, this is the fake scalp and the inside construction of the the cap. I love a fake scalp just because it just makes it so much easier to install. I don't have to bleach anything, tint anything. Literally, we're good to go and ready to install. She is set as a closure wig, so you only have like from here to here, which you guys know I always make my closures look like frontals when it's all said and done and installed. So it's actually easier. You get the look of a frontal, but the closure is easier to rock day to day. This is that same go-to wig I tell you guys I always plop on when I have somewhere to go. I called myself retiring it and like putting it in my closet, and then it reappeared for gym day. So I'm gonna go ahead and install her for you guys. Now obviously this is yellow, so it's not gonna match my complexion perfectly, but you're gonna see what I do to make it look bomb. But let me not take your head off. Let's go ahead and get the install process popping. Oh, and if I did not mention, they did include some wig caps and a headband in my package.
Nothing here or none, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way, I'm pulling up, don't be late.
I'm loving this color on me. I don't do the color number 4 often, but I really do think it's a nice good switch up. This one's gonna be super pretty and easy to install, so maybe we'll add some curls after we install. We're gonna go with the bowl hold. So let's go ahead and bond her down, do the parting, straighten her out, and then from there we'll come back and decide if we're gonna add a little bit of curls. Okay, so we went ahead and installed. Now it's time to style. This is a closure wig, so you really don't have to mold the baby hair like you do with the frontal, but I'm still gonna go ahead and put this on just out of habit. Obviously, as I mentioned before, this is a closure, so you can't push it back like this. If you are going to work or just, you know, want to put your hair back, you always gotta, like, you know, do the little swoop-de-doop. Obviously, it'd be better if you brush your hair, but this is how you do a ponytail. You do it around the ears, and then you do a ponytail, and you can do it obviously higher up and all that, but just the point is that you don't get to necessarily pull it straight back like you would a frontal. And obviously you can't do like a deep side part. Well, you can, but if you wanted to do a deep side part, you literally would have to switch or shift the entire wig to the side, which is a little bit awkward, but I've done it before. So, you know, when it comes to your wigs and wanting to execute a different style, you do what you gotta do. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of serum, and then we're gonna go ahead and maybe add some curls. Let's see if this one will hold a curl. Don't forget to add your heat protectant. guys, so let's take a break and talk about it. I went ahead and curled one side of the wig. Now, you know my curls are a struggle. I'm not a pro at it quite yet, but as I always say, I really want to get good at my curls. Lately, I've been like, you know, like when there's something that you want, you focus on it. There's a car you want, you see it everywhere you go. I've been seeing all these girls on Instagram with these beautiful bomb curls done by their stylist, and I'm like, I want the big voluminous curls. Not even that the wig has to be like 300, 400 density. It doesn't have to be a big long wig. I just want to make my curls look fire. So I think I did a pretty decent job on these. I kind of curled these right here a little bit different. I kind of took the curl iron from the top, and I think that's what I should have done all the way around. So when I take it down, we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a little hairspray. Actually, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, spray it. I'm gonna spray it with a little hold and spray. I did add a little bit of heat protectant on this side as I started. So I'm going to add some on this side. And then I'm going to section it off and then curl this side off camera. And then I'll be back when they're completely done so that I can show you guys the takedown. Okay, so I went ahead and did this side off camera. I feel like I pin curled this side better, but I curled this side better. I don't know if that even makes any sense. But let's go ahead and take the pin curls down. Y'all know I'm nervous because I'm not really that good. Like when I'm curling, I never know if I'm curling in the right direction. It's like I can curl the hair, but was it the right direction? So I just went ahead and touched up a couple of the curls. I kind of feel like if you don't pin curl it right, it'll leave a crimp. I did want to do curls without cutting layers just because I don't feel like you always have to cut layers. Layers will sort of make the wig look and feel fuller, but I also feel like the second time I curl it, I'll be able to go in and not make it better, but second curls, just like second baby hair, sometimes will look a little bit better, help the curls to form and define a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and fix up the baby hair, and I was debating if I wanted to take this away or leave it. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this look. I did add a little bit of concealer in the parting. Kind of don't love the color it is, but I mean, it works. It's not bad. So with this, I kind of feel like you just comb or brush the curls out and kind of just play with it, and it'll form like this beautiful wavy texture. And I love the way it comes out or came out. I love the fact that this wig is straight, but it definitely will hold a curl. I still want it to be flat and smooth up top. So honestly, I have no complaints, and I'm super excited about this one. I have gym tomorrow morning, and I do feel confident that I'll be able to just throw a little headband around and rock this one and kind of let the curls just fall where they may and it not get in the way, because you guys know when you wear a frontal and you work out and you sweat, that sucker might go back. Yeah, hope you guys check out Klaiyi. I love the wig that they sent over. Of course, I have a link as well as details to her linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!